Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm gonna help you learn how to add photos on Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end, without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to add photos on Pinterest, start by opening the Pinterest application from your app drawer. If you're not signed into your account, make sure you are first. Now, from the home screen of Pinterest, tap on the profile icon that says Saved at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on Saved, you'll end up in your profile. Tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner. Now, tap on a pin under Create, select a photo that you would like to upload on Pinterest. Once you select the picture from the camera roll, tap on the Next button at the upper right. Now add a description, if you like, and give your pin a title. If you want to add any destination website, then go ahead and tap on Add, and enter the web address. After you're done, tap on the Next button in the upper right, and after you're done, you can also save it to your board. Tap on Create a Board to create a new board for yourself. The boards are where you can save your pins whenever you like content and want to save it on your Pinterest. Pick a name for your board and tap on Create at the upper right. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.